Hi, it's Nikki. We've just ascended Gokyo Ri, which is 5,360 metres on the 22nd of November 2018. We basically ran up the mountain, so we may have to pay for that tomorrow when we do the Renlo Pass, but we shall see. So we've got this beautiful views, probably almost better than any of the views that we've had on the whole trip. So you can see across towards the pass. Down to the Gokyo lakes, and even all the way across to Mount Everest, which is probably the best view of Mount Everest I think we have had in our entire trip. I'm not sure which face it is, but we can see all of the mountains around here. It's just spectacular. It was well and truly worth the walk up on our acclimatisation and rest day. It's beautiful. So hopefully one day you guys can come up here and join it with RUPAK. So RUPAK even came up today with a bit of a cold with me, so I wasn't hiking up here on my own. So that's how dedicated he can be, and particularly wanting to come up at my pace as well, which was a bit of a challenge. So thank you very much RUPAK for coming up to the top of Gokyo Ri with me today.